How to fix HiTV app not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily fix the issue of not working problem in the HiTV application. So if you're facing any type of problem, then what you need to do is you simply need to launch your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar you simply need to search for VPN. Now once you do this, you will be able to find various types of paid as well as free VPNs. So you just have to select any of the VPNs that you like from this list, and then you simply need to download and install it in your device. Afterwards, you just have to tap on the open button in order to open it, and you simply need to connect yourself to the server. Now once you have connected to the server of the eligible country, you simply need to launch the HiTV application in your device, and then you will be able to easily fix this issue. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.